Words that wound, will trust and harvest fade away.
Gather round the hearth, children of the soil, where the fire crackles steady and the elders' tales weave the night. Picture a laborer in the field, straining against the earth's unyielding hold, who turns to sharp words from the tongue's rough edge, to push harder, lift higher. But what shadows fall upon the household when every hand reaches for such speech to claim its strength? What voices fade from the dawn chorus if coarse mutterings become the measure of might?
First, heed the young ones at the knee of their keepers. In the old ways, words were the loom that threaded duty into little hearts, gentle calls to rise, patient songs for the harvest. Now if sharp barbs fly from parent to plow, the child hears discord before dawn. Play turns jagged, lessons tangle. The small hands that should grip hoe and spindle falter, mimicking the storm instead of the steady rain. Here's what follows. The circle of teaching grows quiet. The next turners of soil learn haste over harmony.
But the cost ran deeper, into the heart of the dwelling. Households thrive on the soft rhythm of shared breath, father's firm counsel, mother's quiet mend, siblings' woven chores. When tongues lash out for fleeting power, trust phrase like untended rope, meals grow silent, beds hold grudges unspoken. The elder, whose wisdom lit the lamp through lean winters, withdraws to the corner, fire unshared. Meanwhile, the hearth that once bound all warms fewer backs, duties scatter like chaff in the wind.
Here's what followed, rippling to the neighbors' steadings. Kin, clans stood firm, by oaths spoken clean and true, paths trod in mutual watch. Sharp words breed suspicion, doors bar sooner at dusk. No longer do hands join freely for the long furrow or the mending wall. Tools lie idle in the sheds, fields claim back their edges with unchecked green. Trust, that unseen fence around the common pasture, crumbles stone by stone.
And deeper still, the land itself whispers warning. One-hour stewardship demands voices raised in rhythm with the seasons, calls to sow, chants to reap, murmurs of thanks at the full barn. If every strain summons barbs unfit for the circle, labor tires not the body alone, but the spirit's bond to root and furrow. Pastures thin, waters muddle, unchecked, branches snap from the orchard unpruned, harvests dwindle to...
Now hear the declaration, spoken plain as the ancestors' oath. If such speech spreads unchecked, households shatter like frost, cracked clay, children hunger for guidance amid barren rows, elders sit forgotten by cold hearths, neighbors' paths grow overgrown and forsaken. Turn back to words that mend and measure, for only labor true, trust unbroken, and kin's steady call ensure the line endures. What would your forebears have chosen by this fire?
If the echoes of our ancestors resonate within you, let that feeling flow outward, share it, nurture it, and honor it with your presence. Each act of sharing weaves a stronger fabric of understanding that connects us across generations. Your voice, joining the chorus, keeps the quest for truth alive, delving not only into personal reflection, but also into the patterns of our shared world. Leave your marks where they may illuminate paths for others, in thoughts or reflections, and follow the trails we have laid to sources of wisdom. By standing with this work, you uphold the effort. Thus, the teachings of those who came before us continue their journey through time.